Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can select multiple elements at once in your presentations on Miro. For example, to apply edits to all of them in bulk at the same time. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to your whiteboard on Miro. And what you will need to do first, guys, is make sure that the select tool here on the left panel is selected. You may click into it or use the shortcut V. And after that, simply left click into your first object, be it the text box, for example, a shape, or I don't know, for example, a connector like this one here. So what you want to do is simply left click into the given object or item, press and hold Lift Shift on your keyboard, and after that, left click into the next item, just like that. So let me also click into that text box. And now, as you can see, all three items are selected. And now I can apply changes and edits to them. For instance, change their color or change the alignment, group them, change or apply a style for all selected items, and so on and so forth. If it is a text, so we may, for example, select the text color. So let me just show you an example with a text box like that here. Select it with your left mouse, press and hold Left Shift, click into the second text box. Let me just zoom in a bit. And after that, simply apply the given color to both texts. And that's how you edit or select and edit multiple objects at the same time in Miro. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.